kid, the houses we lived in were not owned by my parents. And my parents didn't pay rent either, because the houses I grew up in were owned by my dad's employer. And so they were provided with his job. And while that may sound like a benefit, and it was kind of a perk, it also added lots of insecurity, because when my dad changed jobs, we always had to move. And when my dad lost his job that time, we had to move because the house went with that job. The other big negative was my parents never had the ability to build wealth and the financial freedom that comes from owning your own house. Those insecurities I felt growing up is what drove me to the real estate and mortgage industry, where I could help people buy houses so they would know the sense of security that comes from owning your own place to live. It's also why I gravitate to helping so many military and the veterans, because they understand what it's like to live on base where the military owns your house. Over my 30-year career, I've helped thousands of people buy real estate and create security and financial freedom that comes from owning real estate. My name's Anthony Patton, and I'm here to help you.